Let's talk about World Liberty Finance and the Trump token. Both of these tokens, we analyzed it before, after listing, on the next day after listing. I post the videos where I mark all zone of interest because we work with the initiation accumulation pump model. It's a pretty simple model for the tokens after listing. So you don't need to be a guru or have a crystal ball, to identify the levels where the market makers will stop the tokens after listing. So everything pretty simple. You can open the educational video tutorial and use it totally for free, guys. It's playing out in 90% cases, I guess, even in not 100% cases, but in 90%, I guess. If we analyze all of these tokens after listing, it's playing out to the first zone to buy, zone of interest, or even the best zone to buy. So here on that dump, we tested perfectly well the 78 level by FIB, the best zone to buy. Invalidation of idea for each token, no matter it's this token, StarkNet, Layer 1, Layer 0, Jupiter, Manta, Celestia, absolutely doesn't matter. It's a drop under listing price. In this case, if the token dump under listing price, both of these zones flip to fixation profit zone. Now it's like support zones, and this red one is a fixation. So to not explain you once again how to work with this model, I highly recommend you go and check the tutorial. Everything totally for free. So after listing here, it was on a BitGet. Both of these tokens, I use this model on BitGet because the BitGet got a lowest listing price. So we identified the best zones, with the lowest listing price. So for example, on Binance, I guess it can be the invalidation of idea. So this is how it looks like on the Binance. And if you analyze on the Binance, the model absolutely invalidated even after the 3 days. That's why I highly recommend you find the exchange, with the lowest listing price here to identify the levels. Here on the Bybit, if you analyze it, it's also invalidated. That's why I recommend you to find the lowest listing price, reduce the losses with the DCA, right? Because how the psychology works. So when the token listed and the people see on a Binance, for example, the lowest listing price, so they start thinking, oh, we can't drop under this level. But when we dump, people start blindly use DCA strategy, trying to save their average entry, but the coin going down, 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 and you just wait. The stable coins, you waste the time. That's why better sometimes skip the token and only start use DCA in the zone of interest. So now we try hold the line over then okay zone to buy. Based on this strategy, it's not a time to buy this token, but it's only up to you, invest or not. The zones to buy this token I showed you on the next day after listing. So it's 13 cents 43, 11.09, 7 cents 75, 6 cents 28. Still any of these levels can be in play, right? If we'll see another correction. Invalidation if the token dump on the 3 cents and 5. Targets for fixation is 26, 28, and 7. And maybe new all-time high, but I'm not sure about this one. If the Trump figure out everything with China, I guess when the BTC dominance will be under 50%, all of these tokens can perform pretty good one. If this token is not a pure scam, I don't think so. The Trump family, Trump team run the token just to scam the people. So list the token dump to zero. No, I think they're smart enough to put the price higher, bring some euphoria on the markets, and retailers will jump in way higher. You remember the euphoria about Donald Trump when this token listed on the Binance, on the BitGet, and hit the $77. And everybody's we're going to the $100, but after that we landed to $1.53. So congrats everybody who also watched the first video to it and waited the best zone to buy. So based on indicator set, guys, ADZ direction, all this time period, basically we in accumulation zone on the daily. This is not a time to sell based on direction indicator. Weekly time frame, there is no enough data for analysis. 12 time frame also. There's no time to sell based on ADZ, which is in the middle. Zone of accumulation was here at the bottom. So the worst case, of course, if we drop once again to 6 cents 28 and the format that we're in, but I don't think so we will. So ADZ I showed you. Highly recommend you, by the way, go and check the first video about these tokens to understand the logic, why we stop it here, and why the levels relevant, why the price react like this one. It's not random, guys. It's not random. Because it's market makers use the soft. That's why if we identify the levels correct, right, we can track this idea, I don't know, for the next 2 years, because some tokens can perform 2 years in that accumulation zone. So the buy line now on 12 time frame is 11 cents 81. Fundamental value of this token on 12 time frame 8 cents 83 on 12 time frame. Daily time frame, no data. 4 hour time frame, we are just a little bit over the middle line. So the buy line on 4 time frame, it's 9 cents 11. It's possible to test it again. Fundamental value of this token, it's 6 cents 79. Take profit line 18.10. Exit line is 12.46. So this is it, guys. So targets are relevant. If we will come back to this zone again, up to your own risk, you can accumulate it. You know, if you believe in this project. I skip it, both of the tokens. I don't like the tokens which can perform just because of one person who stay behind it. You know, you remember what's happening with the Millennia token. So I don't want to be the part of this game. You know, just wait and pray. So maybe they will. This guy have some idea for the Trump token or for World Liberty Finance. Maybe not. Maybe they just run the token to dump on retailers and that's it. That's the main proposal. We can't know. That's why I don't want to tie these tokens. If, of course, we crash down under this listing price, maybe I will buy some penny, you know, to take a look. Also, recommendation, guys, if you want to buy now for example, 15 cents, at 30 cents, just withdraw your initial deposit. So that's it. It will be not a mistake. But I think we're going to drop again to 11.70 or 11 cents. So this is it. Take a look with market smooth money power. Let's hide the take profit indicator, all zones I showed you. This is optimism on 12 time frame. This was a capitulation, a money inflow, capitulation on the daily. Now it's disbelief. But what I don't like, we are at the top, almost at the top on the money power on the daily. Technically market mood. Now all investors in total disbelief. Market mood, no signals to sell yet, but without any money outflow. We get a pretty good reaction here at 0.5 level by FIB. So everything looks okay. And exactly before, you know, today, the Fed decision about the rates, and, you know, it can be the price at the end. If everybody expects that they will cut the rates again, you know, all this move, it can be priced in, and now we will drop for the next first day of November, we can go into correction again. So just in case, guys, take a look with trade on. It was a buy, small pullback, buy, small pullback. So it was a recommendation close position on 12 time frame, 4 hour time frame, buy bounce, but it's just a 4 hour time frame, it's intraday trades. Here was a sell signals, buyback. Now no main signal to buy on a daily, I guess. On a daily, yes, here only one and only was 2 days after the crash. Basically, it was a black swan because the liquidation was the biggest than ever, you know, not even close to the COVID dump. So weekly time frame, there is no data. So guys, once again, conclusion for this token. So this is zone of fixation. So up to your own risk to buy now or not. This is zone of accumulation. Okay, zone to buy, the best zone to buy, zone of fixation. Highly recommend you go and check the free educational video and the first video. About the Trump, absolutely the same story. So the model still not invalidated. This absolutely same levels for fixation, for accumulation here. It's not withdraw, you know, all zones you know before. So it's not like, oh, I'm just now adjusted the FIB, you know, to show you, oh, take a look how it playing out. No, everything showed you after, on the next day after listing. While the people scream, we're going to the moon to the $100, I mark you the price and people won't believe. So we're going to drop to $4, but we dump it to $1. Of course, we can erase it this week. You know, but anyway, it's a fact. So we dump it to the best zone to buy. And only now, here, you could accumulate this token if you believe in it. I guess if the Trump will figure out everything with Xi Jinping, you know, with the China, just because of market recovery just because of BTC dominance going down, just because of this good news for crypto for United States in relationship with China. The Trump will be like lifesaver again. So yes, the token can perform. To the zones, $10.93 for 14.27. So all zones absolutely still the same. Zone of fixation, swing trades is 33.36. Do you believe in new all-time high? Yes, technically it's possible. So now it's hard to say when, but it's still possible to see the $100. Yes, it's just a theory. Everything possible in theory, right? So let's hide this one. So we tested the buy line on a daily. We already tested. So we drop, bounce, test, and go higher. Take profit line for Trump token. It's 10.59 around this block, and exit line around 11.93 on a daily time frame. Buy line it's 5.31. 12 time frame test. The buy line can be 4.75. Again, if we drop again, it's some correction into this zone. So 4.75. It's still the buy line. Fundamental value 357. Take profit line now 948. Exit line 1074. So this is it. Weekly time frame, there is no data yet for a take profit indicator. Got it. Take a look at easy direction. This is accumulation. So I guess if the Trump have a plan to make a lot of money again with it on token, right? I guess they will put the price to new all-time high again, because this is a weekly time frame accumulation zone. No signal to sell on direction indicator. Here was a time to out of the token in summer, June. After that, some sideways, some chop time. So it's kind of weird price action. And the flash crash on the dump. Maybe today some news. Inside a Trump family's global crypto cash machine. Yes, this is what I told you. Maybe just because of this potential deal with China, these tokens perform. Because the people usually trade in narratives, the news, the rumors. Market mode, guys. This is a hope. Weekly time frame. This is what I don't like on a weekly time frame. It's still euphoria, but not euphoria like this one in January 2025. That's why I will be not surprised if we, without a correction, go straight forward to the $10, $14, and the people will open short position and rack again. So the money power, some money inflow was here. Daily time frame, money outflow. Here, today is money outflow. Last time when we saw the money outflow, 1, 2, 3 days in a row, money outflow and drop. I don't think so. We're gonna repeat the same story like 3 days in a row and drop. But $4.06, guys, is still possible, still in play. What is good? Here, somebody buying here on the BitGet at $8.14. Now, no signal for accumulation. Take a look, guys. The last one is trade on. We get a signal to buy. By the way, fun how we test still penny the 78 level by FIB of market makers levels. Here's a buy, take profit. Finally, here also was sell signal, jewel, take profit. Time to close position, close all short, a signal to buy. So I'll be not surprised, if we drop like this one and recover back. But I hope not, and I hope we go straight forward to the tops and move by levels to the swing trade zones. So guys, highly recommend you go and check the first video about this token to understand the logic why we stop it here. And highly recommend you watch that tutorial. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I would show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.